Hello everyone. As we all know, our national capital Delhi is full of historical monuments and places of tourist interest. One such place is Agrasen Ki Baoli. This is situated very much in the heart of New Delhi, very near to Connaught Place. When one reaches here, it's unbelievable to imagine that such a captivating stepwell full of brilliant architecture is just next to a very busy historical market. It's a stepwell. It was once a water reservoir. It's an example, or it's a classic example of splendid architecture and engineering skills of ancient time. It is one of the best preserved stepwell in Delhi. Its silent walls, its steps, which are more than 100, the stone arches, everything narrate the tale of its erstwhile grandeur and glory. It's open from morning to evening. There are no entry tickets in it. It was built by Maharaja Agrasen. There are no clear historical records about this Baoli, but many historians say that it was built during the period of Mahabharata. But it was rebuilt in 14th century by the people of Agrawal community, who are known to be the descendants of Maharaja Agrasen. It was reconstructed during the Tughlaq dynasty in 13th century and then in the Lodi dynasty in 14th century. Sometime around that it was reconstructed. This served as not only as a water reservoir, but it also served as a community place in that era, and even now also. One can see many people just spending their time sitting, gossiping. There are few tourists. Since it doesn't have an entry ticket, so everyone, especially the young crowd, also comes here to spend their time in the evening. It's around 60 meters in length and 15 meters in width. A circular well exists at the northern end of the stepwell. It measures around 8 meters in diameter and it remains dry for most part of the year. During monsoons, it gets filled. There is a small mosque also at the entry of this Baoli complex. There are many other tourist attractions near this Baoli, like Jantar Mantar, Janpat Market, Bangla Sahib Gurdwara, National Museum, Connaught Place, Birla Temple, Parliament House, Rashtrapati Bhavan. So there's a plenty to see near this region. So if one goes into this area, it's strongly recommended that one should go with a day in hand so that the whole region can be nicely explored. There are a lot of lovely eating places near this, like Indian Coffee House, Spice Route, and many other restaurants are there. This is a place where one can also enjoy some of the best street foods of Delhi. So next time when you visit Delhi, do surely visit this beautiful architecture of ancient time, an engineering marvel made up of stone. It's something I never visited. I have been to Connaught Place many times, but I never went to this area. It was a nice, lovely experience. Thank you everyone.